Hello guys and welcome back to Scratch Tutorials. So today we are continuing with our Scratch Brawl game. And there's one weapon that I forgot to incorporate, and that is the stream. For now, the stream does not do anything. And all the other weapons do something, including the jetpacks, yeah. That's fun. So, we will incorporate the stream today. So yay. Okay, so first we have to make a new sprite, and let's call it stream. So let's just drag it up next to the player so we can actually see the weapons next to the player, so you don't have to do anything or anything. Do anything or anything. What? I'm also gonna click this to make this window smaller so we can have more access to this. So yeah. Okay. So the stream, it will just be a red square. That's it. But I'll show you a pretty cool effect. Okay, so yeah, I'm holding down Shift in order to make it a perfect square shape. And let's just get the shape close to its player size. And to undo, it's Control Z if you're on Windows, and Command Z if you're on Mac, in case you're wondering. A little bit smaller. Yeah, we make it pretty small. Okay, just like that. Okay. Now let's just grab it and center it. Boom. Set the X and the Y to 0, 0. Okay, perfect. And then we can just go back in the code and make it smaller. Okay. Nice. Now, we can just say, when I start this clone, it will go to the player. Don't worry, the player will create the clone. I'm not saying yet, maybe. I have no idea why I said that. It will show, it will go to the back layer, and it will go backwards 7 layers, so it's even behind the level. It will set the ghost effect to 50%, and it will set the color effect to 0. Okay, we try and repeat this 60 times. It will change ghost effect by 2, change ghost by 2, and it will change X by a new variable called X, and we can just make this private variable. So it will change X by X. We do not have to assign X to anything. Scratch is just kind of weird that way, where you don't have to assign the variable. Very weird. And we also want to add when green flag clicked, this will hide. So after this series, I will be doing another series for Scratch, and it will be a complete beginner course. So for any beginners out there who are watching my videos, this will be the series for you. So yeah. Okay, now we have to go back into the player sprite and create the costume and create the clone of the thingamabobber, the stream. Okay, so let's just go in here and we will just say, if weapon is equal to stream, if weapon 1 is equal to stream, then it will create clone of stream. That would. Okay, we will also duplicate this and say that for the left arrow, and okay, bada bing, bada boom. Now we just want to do the same thing for the versus match, just like that. And I believe that is all. Okay, so let's save this. Go to full mode, single, and let's just say stream. There we go. So it does like this cool outline effect. Let's make sure that it also works on versus stream, and nothing works for player 2 yet, so it won't do anything. So yeah, that is pretty cool. So that is the last weapon that we need. And now we will make the weapons for player 2 work. So yeah, that only took 6 minutes. Pretty good. Okay. So yes. Just checking this code. Okay. Now to make the weapon. So we just want to duplicate the player 1 weapon. And I'm just going to put that right next to player 2. So it's when we do that, Scarf really has to find a new way of changing their direction of sprites. So this takes forever. Okay. So now we just want to say when I start match, it will I believe the charge with laser function will still be the same. Let me just make sure. Size, yep. And then we want to say if hang on 2 is broadcast that and weapon 2 is equal to buzzsaw, and it will go to player 2/AI. Okay, Gucci. Banana. I forgot to add this in the other script, but we have to say when green flag clicked, hide. Let's also do that with the other one. Look. When green flag clicked, hide. Okay, wow, beautiful. Okay, so now for the big boy, does it actually say it? Huh, okay. Well, let's just zoom back into player 1 weapon, because I made a bit of a mistake. Huh. Hello? Guess not. Well, we just want to say, instead of when clicked, it will do all that. We just want to say, when I receive start match, it will do all this. Or play match, as we have it. So we just want to swap those two things out. Okay. Good. Okay. Now, we just want to say if weapon 2 is equal to pistol, it's calls for pistol, and we want to say if single, we just want to make a new public variable called shoot. We will assign that in the weapon, the player 2. Then we just want to say if shoot is equal to 1, then it will create clone myself and do all that. Create clone myself and wait 0.6 seconds. Okay, Gucci. Then it's the same thing for the rest. If weapon 2 is equal to buzzsaw, it will do this. And we just want to say single. Then if shoot is equal to 1, then we just want to go to the laser. Number weapon 2 is equal to laser. Do that. Then we just want to say shoot. Once again, direction. If shoot is equal to 1, then you will do all that. If weapon is equal to 2, do that. Then we just want to say if shoot is equal to 1, oh, I want to pass it. Okay, then we'll just do that. Weapon 2 is equal to blade, and if shoot is equal to 1, then it will create clone. If the weapon 2 is equal to launcher, it will do that. And if, yep, I passed it again. Shoot is equal to 1, it will create clone. If weapon 2 is equal to hot shotty, then it shall say this. And don't worry, in the versus match, the single player match with the AI will just randomly select a weapon, and yeah. So, we will make the functionality for the AI weapon tomorrow, because that will take a bit of time. So yeah, weapon 2, single, say this, weapon 2 is equal to launch, or launch. So yeah, if shoot is equal to 2, create clone. If shoot is equal to 1, sorry about that. Then if weapon 2 is equal to rifle, and if shoot is equal to 1, and it will do that. Okay, perfect. Now, for this other one, right here, okay, we just want to say, let's try this clone, it will do that. Let me just make sure something, it's kind of bugging me for a long time now, but I just want to make sure. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's go back here. Weapon 2 is equal to pistol, so go to back layer. It will go to player 2. Sorry about that. And instead of pointing in direction player 1, it will point in direction. Ah, that bug! Ah! Okay. The merciful thing. It's not merciless, it's merciful as a matter of fact. Weapon 2 is equal to laser, then it will go to, how do I keep losing it? Player 2 / AI. Points, player 2, whoops. Put in direction scratch. Please fix that bug. It is awful. Okay, we just want to say if weapon 2 is equal to sniper, it will go to player 2. Then it will go to player 2. It will point in direction of player 2. Weapon is equal to blade. See. If weapon is equal to blade, then it will go to plateau. Then it will drop. Weapon is equal to launcher. Then it will just say player 2, point in direction of AI, player 2 / AI. Point in direction of player 2 / AI. What is that? Have I been changing this? Oh, of course I haven't. Okay. Weapon 2 is equal to blade. Weapon 2 is equal to launcher. Direction of that. Okay, weapon 2 is equal to hot shotty, and it will go to player 2, point in the direction of player 2 says, AI. Scratch, please fix that bug. It's awful. That should be the first. That should be the first priority. Fixing that bug because it annoys me so much when I'm trying to do something. If weapon 2 is equal to hot machine or machine pew pew. Wait. Player 2 slash AI. Player 2 slash AI. Go all the way back down here. Change that to direction. Switch that to weapon 2. And finally, we do not have to make it go to there. We will change this though, just so you know, because we can't have 2 people controlling the same targeter. That would not be great. Okay, and then the last weapon. Weapon 2 is equal to rifle. It will go to player 2 slash AI, point in direction of player 2 slash AI. And yeah. Okay. So now, let's just make the second targeter. So for our second targeter, we can just duplicate the first one. Let's also save this project. There we go. Okay, let's just make this targeter blue. Okay, beautiful. And then choose match. We just want to make a private variable called shoot. This is different. It will just set shoot equal to no. Actually, play match if weapon 2 is equal to launch. So, and then what we just want to say. Right. Okay, I'm just gonna drag this bit of code out right now. We just want to say if the mode is equal to single. Did I capitalize the whole thing or like? No, I did not. Okay, just making sure. That is equal to single. Then it will set the x to the x position of player 1. Okay, beautiful. Then it will set y to something like -130, so it's like at ground level basically. But basically, we can just say -125, or whatever the y says. So that'll be 113 actually. Okay, then we will just wait 3 seconds. 3 seconds and set shoot to yes. Whew, beautiful. Okay, 18 minutes. And then I just want to say if shoot is equal to yes, if shoot is equal to yes, the small shoot is equal to yes, then it will just say, let's just duplicate this. It will switch that, and then we just want to say if this happens, then it will do that. And then below this, we just want to say, if, okay, if the mode is equal to versus, then it will do the key commands, but they're different this time. Because, you know, reasons. I'm actually going to keep these key commands the same. I'm just going to change these key commands. Okay, so let's see. You want these key commands to be 2, 3, 1, and 4. Okay, just like that. And then that is it for that. So let's go back into AI. We're at 20 minutes, 45 seconds. So let's just jump back into the AI sprite. And let me see what we have here. Here we go. Okay. I just want to say, when I receive play match, it will forever set shoot to pick random between 1 and 2, and it'll just wait a random amount of time. Then, as the script says, if the shoot is equal to 1, then it will shoot. 0.25 and 0.5. Okay. Let me just see if there's anything else that we need. I think that is it. So let's just finish this off. I believe. What? Let's not do that yet. Let's just make sure that these are working. So press play. Let's just go into versus. Okay, player 1 weapon will be pistol. Player 2 weapon will be machine gun. Player. Whoop. I mean, somewhat works. Okay, let's just fix that. And let's also color all these sprites blue. And for the rocket launcher, just color that inside blue. That. Instead of that, it will be blue. Okay. For these, let's do like that. And for the saw blade, just like that. Boom, boom, bang, bang. Okay, so let's just solve this little issue. I think I know what I did, but let's just see if I'm correct. Okay, so there's nothing wrong with cloning it. It's just, there's nothing wrong with this. It's just cloning it is going wrong. Because what this script is saying is that when the down arrow is pressed or the S arrow is pressed, then it will clone it. But in reality, we just want down arrow, I think. Okay. Okay, right here. I just clone myself. Oh, right, we have to switch these. We have to say down arrow. I forgot that I sort of switched the controls from the actual thing. Okay. Sorry about this. Down arrow. Down arrow. Never mind the background noise. And so just replace all of the S in this sprite with down arrow. Never mind the clatter of knives in the background. So nope, of silverware. So yeet. That was my fault, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, now let's see this. Versus, but again, pistol, rocket launcher. There you go. Pistol works. And pew! Bada boom! Haha. Pew, 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 pew. Okay. So let's just make sure. Blade. Shotty. Pew, 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 pew. And blah! Scrap! Okay, good. So it's working. Now let's see if it works for the AI. Pistol. Hallelujah! It has a shotgun. Hallelujah! It's actually working! Yeah! Whew! I'm actually really excited he has a shotgun again. Oh right, we have to make it random. I forgot. Yeah, so for right now he will always have the shotgun. So we will just randomize that. Yeah, we still have time. A little bit of time, but that should be enough to randomize it. Woo! It's actually working. I did not think that this would actually work second. I was about to say first try, but then I just realized. So yeah. Okay, so let me see in here where I do the random weapon. Should be setting the random weapon. Let me see. Random weapon. Oh, hello. Who is it? Hello, hello. Here we go. Okay, found it. Let's pass all these. We just want to say, when I receive play match, if the mode is equal to single player, so the AI mode, then it will just say, we want to make a new variable called a.iweapon. I think I just did that in order to not, confuse myself. This will be, I believe, a public variable. Yep. Then we just want to set a.iweapon to pick random between 1 and 12. And then then we just say forever if the mode is equal to single, then a whole lot of ifs. Yeah. If the AI weapon is equal to 1, AI weapon, here it is. If AI weapon is equal to 1, then it will set weapon 2 to pistol. The reason why we can't just say set the weapon 2 to AI weapon, because then it would just set the weapon 2 to like 1, 2, and the script can't read it because there is no a condition for weapon 1, 2. It's weapon 2 is equal to pistol, not weapon 2 is equal to 1. So yeah. Sadly in Scratch there is no index counter, and I think we kind of need that. A weapon 2, set it to buzzsaw. AI weapon is equal to 3, set weapon to Lazar. AI weapon is equal to 4, set it to Jetpack. We will finish the weapons tomorrow. I just want to make the randomizer today, so I don't get like hung up. I'm like, man, I just wish that I did that. My gosh, what is wrong with me? So yeah, that's fun. AI weapons equal to 6, and it will set it to blade, all capital, or whatever you named your blade. If it is equal to 7, I will set it to launcher or rocket launcher. I'm sorry. If AI weapons equal to 8, set it to hat shotty. First of all, I have to check, am I recording this? Yes. Okay. Oh, that kind of freaked me out for a second. AI weapon is equal to 9. Then it will set the weapon to machine gun. And if it's not working for you, check the spelling, because the spelling really counts and it matters. So yeah, a weapon 10, set it to stream is equal to 11, set it to launch. I'm speaking quiet now. Then if it's equal to 12, it will set it to laser, or did I call it rifle? I think I called it rifle. Okay. Let me just check actually. Click. Yep, I set it to rifle. Okay. That means that I also got it wrong in here. Okay, that's why. Okay, so set it to single player. Do that. I'll just set it to pistol. And he has a blade! Yeah, baby, let's go! And then set to single again. Get a launcher. He has a machine gun. I just want to make sure. Okay, good. And now he has a machine gun again. Then blade. No, that's the machine gun. Laser. That's a pistol. Okay, yeah, so it for sure changes. Okay, got it. Poof. Kind of scared me. Jetpack. Yeah, that's a sniper. Whee! Woo! So it works. Wow, that was unexpected, actually. Oh my gosh. What does he have here? That must be the jetpack or the stream, because we haven't made those yet. Okay, that is it. So I'm pretty happy on the progress that we have made. Of course, I'm going to just rename this weapon 2, player 2 weapon, charger 2, that's fine. Wow. Let me just make sure that charger 2 works. Launch and launch. These controls are so bad. Why me? Why? Why you, buddy? Wee! Wee! I'm just gonna bomb them both at the same time. Oh, okay. We'll fix that in the next episode, boys. Okay, so that is it of this episode, guys. I hope you had a good time, and that is it. Okay, bye.